Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina and you're watching Financial Calendar on Insta TV. At the beginning of the next week, investors will keep an eye on the following events. On Monday, the IFO Institute for Economic Research will reveal its consumer confidence data for Germany. Experts forecast the same reading of 112.3 in April. In March, the Consumer Sentiment Index hit the mark of 112.3, which is the highest level since June 2011. In February, the indicator stood at 111.1. Economies had projected the figure of 111. Despite better results, many economists warned that this year the economic activity might be negatively affected by increased uncertainty over trading relations with the UK and the US, as well as anti-European sentiment ahead of elections in Germany and the Netherlands. On Tuesday, the US Consumer Sentiment Report, prepared by the Conference Board, will see the light of day. In March, the corresponding index hit the highest level since 2000. The indicator touched the level of 125.6. It is a strong level, and such a growth raises concerns. The Consumer Confidence Index was expected to correct to 113.9 in March, from the already high score of 116.1 in February. If this one and some other indicators manage to keep their high results, then one can say that the US is on a way stronger growth path than the Fed forecasts. This could mean a revision of monetary tightening plans. On Wednesday, Australia will publish its consumer inflation data for the first quarter of 2017. According to the latest statistics, Australia's consumer price index edged up by 0.5% on a quarterly basis. Economists had projected that the growth rate would stay unchanged at 0.7% as in the third quarter. In annual terms, the Australian inflation accelerated to 1.5% in comparison with 1.3% in third quarter of 2016. On top of these events, the following statistics will see the light of day early next week. On Monday, Canada will unveil the wholesale data. On Tuesday, traders will absorb the reports on public sector net borrowings from the United Kingdom and new home sales from the United States. On Wednesday, Germany and Canada will deliver the retail sales reports, while Switzerland will publish the results of the Investors' Expectations Survey. And this concludes the calendar of the fresh economic events on Insta TV News channel. See you next week. Bye!